We're in this new age of, well, digital deception, and it makes you wonder, right? Can we even believe what we see anymore? Today, we're going to figure out if what you're looking at is actually real.
So let me ask you, seriously, do you think you could spot a fake? I mean, really spot it? Most of us, we feel pretty confident we can, but, the actual data tells a totally different and honestly, a pretty humbling story.
0.1%. That's it. A recent iProve study found that's the tiny, tiny fraction of people who can actually tell the difference between a real video and an AI-generated one. We're talking 1 person in 1,000. The rest of us, we're basically just guessing.
Okay, but here's where it gets really dangerous. The problem isn't just that we're bad at this. It's that our own brains are kind of working against us, creating this powerful illusion of confidence.
Look at this. According to security.org, a whopping 70% of us are overconfident that we can catch a fake. Let that sink in. 70% of us think we've got it covered, when in reality, 99.9% of us don't. That gap, that's the weak spot that scammers are just jumping all over.
And that weakness has kicked off this deception spiral that's escalating like crazy. This isn't some future sci-fi problem. It's happening right now today. Get this. All it takes is about 30 seconds of your voice, maybe from a social media video or even a voicemail you left, to create a perfect, hyper-realistic clone of you speaking. Encode says this isn't even cutting edge anymore. It's just the norm. And the cost is just staggering. Business Insider has reported on these massive scams where AI clone voices of CEOs are used to trick finance departments into wiring away millions. Imagine getting that call. It's a level of impersonation that's almost impossible to second guess. But this goes so far beyond just money. As sources like AP News and Time are warning, the stakes are way, way bigger. We're talking about the power to completely undermine the media we trust, to disrupt elections, and to create very real threats to national security. So, is it hopeless? Are we just doomed? Not quite. As the threat has gotten bigger, a sort of technological cavalry has started to show up. Let's take a look at the tech that's actually fighting back.
Yeah, we're seeing this whole new generation of defenders. You've got Norton with a tool for your phone that can scan YouTube videos. Then there are platforms like Vastav AI that create these forensic heat maps, basically showing you the exact pixels in a picture that are likely fake. And for big companies, Trend Micro is scanning for tiny media glitches a human would never catch. But let's be real here. This is a full-on technological arms race. For every new detection tool we build, the AI that creates the fakes is also learning, getting smarter and evolving. So, technology by itself, it's not going to be the silver bullet we're hoping for.
And because technology can't be the final answer, the most powerful, the most critical line of defense, well, that's the human element. That comes down to you. So what can you actually do? Well, there's this amazing finding from Wired that's incredibly simple, but it works. You don't have to be a tech wizard. Just by consciously stopping and taking 10 seconds to really look at something, your accuracy for spotting a fake goes up by 8%. Just slow down.
Okay, so let's put this all together into a plan. Your personal defense plan is pretty simple. First, train yourself to just pause and look for stuff that's off. Weird lighting, bad lip syncing. Second, if you're ever not sure, use one of those detection tools. And third, talk about this stuff. Spreading awareness is how we protect everybody.
And hey, this fight is getting bigger than just us and our computers. Lawmakers are finally getting involved. In the US, you've got legislation like the Take It Down Act, which is creating a legal way to force the removal of nasty, non-consensual deepfakes. It's finally adding some real-world consequences for the people who make them. So it all leads to this one kinda scary conclusion. That old saying, seeing is believing, it's officially dead. In this new era, we have to learn to see things with a healthy dose of skepticism. So the real question now is, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna stay in that 99.9% that can be easily fooled? Or are you ready to start training your mind and join that tiny fraction who can see right through the deception? If you're ready to take that first step, we want to help you out. Just comment real or fake down below, and we'll send you our free detection toolkit. It's got links to the exact tools we just talked about. And make sure you subscribe for more guides to help you stay sharp in this wild digital world. Stay skeptical and stay safe out there.